Hi guys, welcome to Venky's GK This is an excellent platform for preparation of IAS, IPS and other civil services exams. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. As per the World Population Prospect 2022, what is the world's population as of November 2022? A 5 million, B 8 million, C 10 million, D 12 million. Your time starts now. The right answer is B 8 million. Question number 2. Which country signed the Just Energy Transition Partnership JETP in the G20 Summit 2022? A. India, B. Indonesia, C. China, D. Japan. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Indonesia. Question number 3. Which global group announced the Global Shield Insurance Initiative? A. G7 and V20, B. WEF, C. UNEP, D. G20 and V20. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. G7 and V20. Question number 4. Which country is the front runner in climate mitigation as per the Climate Change Performance Index CCPI? A. Norway, B. Germany, C. Denmark, D. Australia. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Denmark. Question number 5. Which Indian armed force conducts the Prasthan structured exercise? A. Indian Army, B. Indian Navy, C. Indian Air Force, D. Indian Coast Guard. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Indian Navy. Question number 6. India hosted the Lead IT Summit on the sidelines of COP27 along with which country? A. Sweden, B. Japan, C. Australia, D. Denmark. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Sweden. Question number 7. Artemis is the name of the moon rocket launched by which country? A. Israel, B. USA, C. UAE, D. Russia. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. USA. Question number 8. What is the name of the account a bank holds on behalf of another, often a foreign bank? A. Nostro account, B. Vostro account, C. Forex trade account, D. Settlement account. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Vostro account. Question number 9. What is the theme of India's G20 presidency in 2022? A. One Earth, One Family and One Future, B. Data privacy, C. Atmanirbhar G20, D. International trade. Your time starts now. The right answer is One Earth, One Family, One Future. Question number 10. Which country is the host of the 19th Conference of the Parties to Cities? A. Japan, B. Panama, C. Maldives, D. Papua New Guinea. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Panama. Question number 11. The maximum number of foreigners who visited India during extended period of COVID restrictions was from which country? A. UK, B. USA, C. UAE, D. Russia. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. USA. Question number 12. Which state organized the Silver Jubilee edition of its Tech Summit? A. Gujarat, B. Hyderabad, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Karnataka. Question number 13. India is set to unveil young professional scheme with which country? A. Japan, B. USA, C. UK, D. France. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. UK. Question number 14. Respect for Marriage Act is associated with which country? A. USA, B. Germany, C. UK, D. France. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. USA. Question number 15. Which country launched the global initiative Lifestyle for the Environment Life Movement? A. USA, B. Germany, C. Sri Lanka, D. India. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. India. Hope you got some insights on how to prepare for IAS, IPS, and other civil services exams. For more such content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Venky's GK Bank. You can also subscribe to our Telegram channel, link in the description box. Thank you.